Instructions for the washing machine use. To start, put the clothes you want to wash and be sure to close the door correctly. In the upper left dryer, you will have a space to place the laundry detergent that you will find in the place. It also has a space for the softener. And if you wish, in the remaining space, you can put another type or liquid detergent. Turn on the washing machine with the button shown to enable the functions of the rotary knob and choose the type of washing. Select the button that is displayed to start or stop the wash. And that's it! Now just wait for the time specified by the washing machine.